When the Oja speaks, both men and spirit alike listen. This is Buka diving deep into the heart of Igbo culture today. The Oja is a wooden musical instrument native to the Igbo people. With 4 distinct holes, the Oja is crafted to mimic the speech tones of Igbo people and the Igbo language. It is beloved among the Igbo, especially in communities in northern Igbo land, where it is historically most common. It is traditionally played for praise singing, divination, entertainment, and also in life cycle celebrations. The highest pitched Oja, which are also known as the shortest, are either known as Oja Mmong or Oja Okolobia. The lowest pitched flutes are known as Oji Igede, while those which are pitched somewhat in the middle are known as Oji Ukwe. The person who plays the Oja is called an Obu Oja. Now, this skill of playing the Oja is either learned through years of practice and mastery, or sometimes is given to the Obu Oja as a gift from his chi. Recently, the sound of the Oja has been made more mainstream by artists such as KC and Kola Boy, who have infused the intricate sounds of the Oja into their contemporary music. Stay tuned as we teach you more about Igbo history and Igbo culture in general. Igbo Mamano, Igbo Kwena.